chance to teach few classes, and I noticed that cooperative learning activities, the formal ones are suitable for small classes, and in the informal cooperative learning activities are suitable for the large classes. And now the difference between those two is that for the small class, having a group of students basically that work together all the time will be much easier, but for the large classes it would be harder to find out the same group of students sitting together. So that's why informal one is kind of having your immediate basically students are sitting next to you, forming those groups. Now, the whole thing starts with an introduction by the instructor, telling them about the concept, the chemical concept, for instance, in my case, and then giving them some time to think about the concept and kind of like think it through individually. However, afterwards, they are given some time to discuss their findings or their thoughts with their peers, with their groups at this point, and after that, after having this 5 to 10 minutes discussions, to share it with the class. Now, sharing with the class can be with different methods. If it's a small class, you can write on the board and then share it with the class, and if it's a large one, you can use iClickers and other methods. This whole thing comes into a conclusion where the instructor comes at the end and then comes up with a closer focused discussion to kind of solidify these concepts and move on for the next one.